Alright, so in this lesson, I'm gonna show you confirmed death, new cases versus country and date. So we'll be first taking a bar plot here. Let's go ahead and take the bar plot there. So we have here a fig is equal to px dot bar. Alright, then we have country day wise data. And in this country day wise data, I'm gonna pass x is equal to date and then y is equal to confirmed cases. Alright, and then finally we have their color. I'm gonna select as country, and then finally I'm gonna put their height is equal to 600. Alright, and the title I'm gonna use there a confirmed cases. Alright, and then the color I'm gonna use their color discrete sequence. So there I'm gonna use their plotly color, the plotly colors. So there we have px dot colors dot, there we have cyclical. Okay, so this is the cyclical color, and then we have their mygbm. Alright, so this is the one color. Then we have their fig dot show. Alright, so once you do this, you will see there the confirmed cases plot, and the color bar will be the taken from the cyclical color. That's when there will be a continuous color which will be plotted there for various countries. So it's a kind of a continuous color scale, and from that it will be taken. Now you can see there very clearly that, so that is taken from those continuous coloring. So there is a confirm, and then there is a country. So this is the legend, a country by country, and then it is saying that how the day by day, how what is the country contribution. So there we have the US country contribution. So this actually legend is too large, so it cannot be accommodated. So only the first few countries are shown here, which is sorted by in alphabetical orders. So the highest country which has dominated in confirmed cases is US. There we have UK as well. We have Spain there, we have Russia as well lately, and then there is highly increment cases in Turkey as well. Then there is Italy. Okay, so that's the Italy there, and then we have Germany as well, and France. So with this plot you can see how much these other countries has been contributed in these confirmed cases. Alright, let's go ahead copy this. Once we copy it, now we are going to plot it for the death cases. Alright, so there I have deaths, the country, and then the confirmed. Instead of this confirmed, I'm going to put the deaths. Let's go ahead and run it. Once you run this, then you will see for the death cases. Alright, so this bar plot actually is very high in memory consumption. So it's it will take some time, and it has made my computer slow. So it is a little hanging. But anyway, we are able to see here, we can see there are death cases as well. Alright, so here we have death cases, and in this death cases, we have there again US, most of the death happened in the US, then United Kingdom, then there is a Spain, and similarly there is Italy, and then there is a France, and Iran is also there, and then lately the Brazil has been also, the death number has been increasing in the Brazil as well. Alright, now let's go ahead and take for the recovered cases as well. So what are the countries which have high recovery cases? Then there we can put recoveries. Alright, So I think that's the recoveries or recovery. I'm not sure. Let's put, then we'll see there. I think it's a recovery. I have just forgotten this name. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here. Let's go ahead and plot it. I think it's a recoveries. Still we do not have that recovery. Yes, that's actually the recovered, sorry. So we have their recovered cases. Alright, so let's go ahead and plot it. Then we will see their recovered cases. Just wait a second, it might take a little time. My computer is hanging here, so it took a lot of the memory. Yes, so in the recover cases, US, the recovery has been increased there. There is a Turkey and other countries as well. Alright, now let's go ahead and plot the new cases as well. Sorry. So for the new cases, what I can do, I'm just gonna copy it and then I'm gonna paste it here, and then I'm gonna put their new cases. Alright, so there we have new cases. Let's go ahead and run it. It will again take a little time to complete its process, and then it will show you a new cases in the form of bar plot, and those will be stacked together. So these are the new cases, how these new cases are coming there. Alright, so mostly the new cases, this is how these new cases are coming there. Alright, so these new cases are reported how. We might not have the data for the United States in the new cases for these sometimes. So this might not be the, I don't think this is correct. Anyway, so this is the data what we are having, and this is the way how you can plot and visualize these COVID data in various ways. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can do a line plot and you can visualize these cases with the line plot.